Guys, today I'm gonna show you how the pandemic has affected our business. I'm literally gonna show you the numbers of clients that we do per month here in Edmonton, Alberta, in Canada. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If we've never met, I'm Alec Barbero, 22 years old barber now. I managed to open up my barbershop at age 20, and this is my team. So if you're looking to keep up with my content, I'm gonna be doing daily content from now on since we're in lockdown again, and they're all gonna be barbering related slash how to open up your barbershop, haircut tutorials, how much I spent on the barbershop, all that. But yeah, today's topic is how has the pandemic affected the business. So to truly show you the numbers, let's go on our Booksy statistics. Okay. So, pandemic started about early 2020. So, let's go to 2019 and see the numbers. Keep in mind, guys, we did hire more barbers in after pandemic, after the lockdown. The lockdown happened March, April, May. So, just keep in mind that. So, let's start about February of 2019. Okay, so around 960 appointments. These are all zero because we don't keep track of our sales through Booksy. We just do it on a different platform. But as you can see, that's how many appointments we had. That's how many finished, and then 400 new clients, 96 returning. 2019 was when we opened, so this shouldn't be too high, and there's only 6 barbers. There we go. So this is when we're starting to pick up now. The shop's getting more known. We're hiring more new barbers. December, pretty decent numbers. January 2020, this was when we just starting to find out about COVID, so 1,000 appointments. That was a lot. February, so we're averaging about 900 1,000 appointments finished. And then this was when lockdown started, second week of March, so it's only about half. And then this was lockdown. These appointments were just the appointments we forgot to cancel, but we probably texted them and just kept the appointments. Lockdown, and then we're starting to come back in June, or I was already cutting in May, so it's only me, just like last week of May. And then June, half of us are coming back now, 700. So this around August was when we got back into regular hours, regular appointments, so we're going back up to 900s now. And then September was busy because I think school started back up again, 1,000. And then the rush after lockdown was there, August, September, because everyone came back from lockdown, everyone wanted their haircuts again. And then it started slowing down as everyone started getting haircuts. I feel like everyone were scared, so not a lot of people started coming back again. And then December was another lockdown. The last week of December was when lockdown happened, or a few weeks before New Year's was when lockdown happened. So that's why it slowed down again. Only 600. And then January, we opened up about 1 week. I don't know how we did that many, because I was probably doing a lot. Yeah, I was doing 179. Yeah, January starting to go back up again because everyone needed their haircut because they were in lockdown. February, as you can see, it's not as many finished because people were getting scared. And this is when I made the video how business wasn't booming, and then it's starting to pick back up again since that lockdown. So initial lockdown, and then May, this was last week, so it's only been like a week, and we were pretty booked up, finished with 400 in the first week. That's not bad at all. That's because everyone needed the haircut before the lockdown. But yeah, so you can see we were booked up right after the lockdown. So we were busy last summer after the lockdown. See the number here too, but we definitely noticed that it slowed down. So I guess what I'm trying to say is when there's a lockdown, it gets busy around there. Before the lockdown and after the lockdown, that's when the business is good, just because people need a haircut before the lockdown. And after the hair grows out during the lockdown, they need a haircut again. And then after that hype, business slows down just because people are scared. People don't have to go to school. People don't have to go to work. They don't have to see anyone, so they're not seeing the value in a haircut. That's definitely what I noticed here in Canada. I don't know about you guys, but I just wanted to share that for you guys real quick. To answer the question, the pandemic has affected us a lot. When we're in shutdown, we did get some loans from the government, but those are loans, we have to pay them back. But I think if you pay them back sooner, we get 10,000 for free or something like that. But still, business was booming right before the lockdown. It was super busy, but it's not the same at the shop anymore. There's not much hype. We can't let people hang out anymore. This used to be the hangout spot, but with COVID, obviously we can't be doing that anymore. We can't host events anymore. We can't host parties anymore for now. And yeah, that's how the pandemic affected us. and you guys seen the numbers. If you guys are from Edmonton, Alberta, please feel free to check out our website, and after the lockdown, book a haircut with us, with any of us. There's 10 of us in the team, and we're always looking to get new clients. If you're a barber trying to open up a barbershop as well, again, subscribe. And I do have an online course on how I did every single thing that I know now, I just put into this online course. I'm gonna be releasing a lot of free content also on this, so you guys can just take advantage of that as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow.